Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to install Windows 11 25H2 with a local account rather than a Microsoft account. So of course, as you probably know, Microsoft is trying to force us to use Microsoft accounts for our Windows logins. But if you want to install Windows 11 25H2 with a local account, you can still do so. So they're always trying to block these workarounds, but we still have a method that will work for 25H2, at least for right now, until they decide to block this as well. And of course, you could install Windows 11 with your Microsoft account, then just add a local account and then remove the Microsoft account if you want to do it that way as well. All right, so we're just going to walk you through the whole installation, but of course we're going to skip the parts that you have to sit there and watch, so it's not going to, be a super long video here. All right, so we have the Windows 11 ISO file booted up here. We're going to click on Next, choose our keyboard or input method. Okay, we're going to install Windows 11. We're not trying to repair anything, so we have to check this box that it's going to delete all the files if you have anything on there. And of course, if it's a new blank drive, you have nothing to worry about. All right, we don't have a product key, so we're going to skip this. All right, then you pick your version here that matches your license key. So we're going to do Windows 11 Home. All right, accept the agreement. All right, so here is where you'll have to decide what you're doing with your disk. So this disk already has Windows on it. So we're going to just delete all the partitions and start fresh. And if it was a new disk, it would just have a single drive here. It wouldn't show all these separate partitions. So if you do delete all the partitions, make sure you have your personal files backed up because everything's going to be erased. So we'll just do this one at a time here. All right, so now we have the unallocated space with the total disk size. So if this was a new disk, this is what you would see. And of course, you could create individual partitions if you want to split it up, but we're just going to use the whole thing for Windows. All right, so we're installing Windows 11 Home and keeping nothing. Going to click on Install. All right, so this part will take several minutes, so I'm going to pause the video and then be back for the next step. All right, so now we're doing our first reboot here. Okay, so we're going to be doing some updates, so we will pause the video again and then be back. All right, so we're rebooting once again. All right, so when you get to the graphical section of the Windows setup here, all you need to do is hold down Shift and press F10 to get to a command prompt. And then you're going to have to type in the specific command and make sure you do it exactly like I'm going to show you. And I'll also have it in the description as well. And then we will press Enter and take it from there. All right, so you want to type start space ms-cxh colon local only. Then we'll press Enter. And now we get the prompt to create a local user account here. So you could just make up any name you want. We'll just say Bob for our test. Put in a password. Okay, then our security questions. I'm just going to put whatever here just to get past this. All right, click on Next. All right, so now it's going to do the new user profile process like you would normally see when you make a new account or when you log into Windows for the first time. So this will take a couple minutes. So once again, we'll pause the video and be back. All right, so now on this screen, you could choose your privacy settings. So you could stick with the default. I like to just turn everything off unless maybe you want location on if you're using a laptop. So this is totally up to you. So if you don't know what these are, you could research them before you turn them off. I'm just going to turn them all off. Click on Accept. All right, so now we have our Windows 11 desktop here. Let's go to our settings. All right, you can see we have Bob as the local account. Let's make sure we got the right version here. System and then About. All right, so we're on Windows 11 25H2 with 26200 for the build. We have our local account here. All right, so as you can see, it's pretty easy. So like I said, once you get to the graphical user interface section of setup, where you can use your mouse, press Shift F10, type in that command, create your new user account, put in your password hints, and that's all there is to it. All right, so like I said, I don't know how long this will stay working for, because I'm sure Microsoft will eventually try and block this too, but for now, this is how you could install a local user account on a new Windows 11 25H2 installation. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.